Good day, fellow yummies, and welcome to another episode of Sequence. And we're going to bring you another fantastic episode. But before that, we do have a request. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell and hit the like as well. All right?
Share with your friends and family.
Definitely, that is a must, so everyone can enjoy. All right? Good thing. So, what do we have in store for them today, Sama? What are you doing? Why are you wearing sunny?
Ice cream today.
Yes, I know we're making ice cream.
And it's sunny.
Oh.
Later we're going outside to the yard so we can eat our ice cream.
Oh, all right. So I should get my sunnies then as well. We have for you cookies and cream ice cream. So we're just going to make an ice cream with 3 ingredients. How is that possible? We'll definitely show that to you. So what is the first step, fellow yummies, is we have 500 mils of cream. We just need to pour it into the bowl.
Can I put a condensed milk?
Not yet. That's the second step, but we have to whip up the cream first. Alright?
Oh, I tried that with my dalgona before, Daddy.
Oh yes, it's definitely the same procedure, but we just want here to be on a medium peak. Alright, we don't want to break the cream, or else then the ice cream will fail. So here we go. So fellow yummies, what we want is that kind of consistency for the cream, alright? Then, so I stopped. Basically, this is 1 tin of condensed milk. So I'm just gonna pour it. There you go. Looking good. So I'm just folding the condensed milk into the cream. Oh, that's beautiful, right? Here you go. That's done, fellow yummies.
It's so easy to make ice cream, Daddy.
Yeah.
We should make different flavors.
Yes, we'll definitely make other flavors
Like
in
green
the
tea.
next episodes.
Like green tea.
Like green tea. Here you go.
Like you keep on talking about.
This is my favorite.
Me too.
I can't wait for it to be frozen. Alright, fellow yummies, now it's time for food testing! Food testing! Food testing! Alright, now it's time for us to test our cookies and cream. Oh, Samuel, you want to try? Alright. He's happy.
We're just making music.
Which one do you want?
We did it.
We did it, finally. He seems to enjoy it though.
And he's eating half of the ice cream.
Yum, yum, yum. So fellow yummies, please do try this recipe at home, alright? We with the family and
Until